Greetings, folks. Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about my presentation at the Colorado Adult Learning Symposium. And that was entitled Teaching and Storytelling with Digital Maps and Spatial Data. You can contact me if you would like the entire presentation, which is delivered in the form of a story map. So I had lots of interactive maps in there, along with other resources that you might be able to use. Just contact me at jkursky, JKERSKI at esri.com. jkursky, JKERSKI at esri.com. I'm an education manager at ESRI, Environmental Systems Research Institute. I'm a lifelong geographer and educator, and I also teach at the University of Denver. The essential core elements of my presentation are what's where, why is it there, and why should we care? So the whole idea of using geotechnologies in education is part of the U.S. Department of Labor's 3 growing fields for the 21st century: biotechnologies, nanotechnologies, and geotechnologies. Why do you use maps? Because you want your students to understand spatial relationships, patterns, relationships, and trends. Also, these tools are key parts of decision making in the 21st century. When you think about all of the concerns that we have on our planet: water, energy, population change, urban sprawl, biodiversity loss, climate, and all the rest of it. It all is anchored in spatial thinking. And I'm here to tell you that you do not have to use static maps, paper maps, or PDF maps. In this presentation, I outline some key ways for you to use multimedia, interactive maps that allow you to pull in real-time data feeds from the Internet of Things, for example. Teach about migration, about water, about energy, urban sprawl, history. One of the technologies that I mentioned in the workshop is called story maps. Multimedia maps that you can create and you can use in your instruction. You can also have the students create story maps as a presentation tool for you and their peers, and you can also assess those story maps. They live online, they work on any device at any time. As an instructor, you actually have access already at your universities or your nonprofit organization or your government agency to these tools. And I can help you to navigate those waters and to fully explore the use of geotechnologies in education. These tools allow your students to investigate our planet and your local community and everything in between in a richer, more engaging, problem-solving, inquiry-driven mode. That is the idea. Not to use geotechnologies because they exist and because they're good job skills. They're all about that. But more importantly, to get them thinking spatially and critically about, again, these key issues of our time. Thanks, and again, jkursky at esri.com, Joseph Kursky, or just Google Joseph Kursky and you'll find me. Thanks, and get out there and do some mapping.